It's team time. It's team time. It's team time. Hey, hey, hey. It's team time. It's team time. It's team time. Hey, hey, hey. STEAM scholars, my good friends Enlighten and Brainstorm are a little under the weather. But no worries. I think I have just the right guests that might know a thing or two about what we will learn today. Now, in order for our special guest to arrive, there's a special chant we say to bring him out. Are you ready? Great. We will say, bring on the heat, bring on the heat, bring on the heat. Join me. Bring on the heat, bring on the heat, bring on the heat. Sunny, you're here. Thank you so much for joining us today. Do you mind helping the STEAM scholars gain greater knowledge about heat and thermal energy?
Of course.
Let's bring on the heat. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is the energy an object has because of the movement of its molecules that tells us if something is hot or cold. Everything on Earth is made up of molecules, including you and me. Molecules are very, very, very small and always moving. The more they get excited, the more they move. Energy is the ability to do work.
That's right, Miss Wilson. Faster moving molecules means that more energy is being used, which makes for a hot object. Slower moving molecules means that less energy is being used, which makes for a colder object.
But don't just take our word for it. Try testing it out for yourself later. Observe yourself when you go outside to play. Are you running, moving fast, or playing hard? Are you hot or cold? Then observe yourself inside, doing schoolwork or reading a book with little to no movement. How do you feel? Hot or cold?
You know, Miss Wilson, we can often learn more about something by breaking down the word and seeing if it has a root word.
Fantastic idea, Sunny. STEAM scholars, here's where we will need your help. But first, it is important to know what a root word is. A root word is the most basic part of a word. Like in the word building, the root word is build. Looking at the word thermal, can you guess what the root word is? Take some time to discuss with your class now.
Way to go, STEAM scholars! Therm is the root word for thermal. Therm means heat.
That's right, STEAM scholars and Sunny. Therm means heat. Heat is the transfer of energy to another object that is lower in temperature. We see this example when you add ice to a warm drink. The heat from the warmth of your drink moves to the coldness of the ice cubes, creating a cooler and more refreshing drink. Hey, STEAM scholars, now that you know what a root word is and what the root word for thermal is, can you think of other words that have the root word therm? Take some time to discuss with your class now. Wonderful work, STEAM scholars. Sunny, what words did you come up with?
I came up with the word thermos, like the insulated cup that keeps hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. Insulated means it prevents the loss of heat. I also came up with the word thermal, as in thermal clothing, which is clothing fabric that provides excellent insulation to keep the body warm.
Stupendous job, Sunny. I came up with the words thermostat and thermometer. A thermostat is a device that automatically responds to changes in temperature by the starting and stopping of heat. A thermometer is an instrument that tells the degree of hotness or coldness, which is temperature. Wow, Sunny, we learned a lot today about thermal energy. Thank you so much for helping me out today.
Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. I could talk about bringing on the heat forever. I had fun. Tell Brainstorm and Enlighten I hope they feel better. Bye-bye.
I will. Thank you, Sunny. STEAM scholars, before you go, check out some tips and questions to help you prepare for your project. Take out your design thinking process card to help you. A, ask, what am I trying to create? B, brainstorm. How can I use my materials to make what I am trying to create? C, collect. What information have I learned that will help me create? D, develop. What is the first step I need to make to create? E, evaluate. What works, what doesn't work, and what can I do to make my design better? And F, fine-tune. Is my design where I want it to be? Are there any changes I need to make? Until next time, my STEAM scholars, keep being a shining star. Be great and keep exploring. Bye-bye.